Well, do you ever think back and wonder why you weren't taught certain things in school that you wish you knew now as an adult? I think we've all been there. So we probably all could have benefited from a financial planning class, maybe that taught taxes, mortgages, credit cards, and savings. This conversation about this is now blowing up on Twitter. So here are some responses. Evan writes, how to fold a fitted sheet.
Yes.
Yes. This is... I definitely learned this way later in life.
One of the first jobs I had was in the bedding department.
Oh.
At a department store.
Okay.
So there was a lady there that taught me how to fold fitted sheets.
Okay, amazing. Yeah. Jabbar says how to do simple repairs. I think that would be that would also be great to learn in school.
Just like life skills.
Yes. This one sums us up pretty well. How to be a morning person. We've had a crash course in that.
Yeah, we have.
And you've had a real crash course in that.
In the last week or so, absolutely. Yeah, no, these are all things. I think the theme is just those life skills. Anything financial, how to do repairs around the house. And I think cooking's a big one as well, too, because that's, you know, taking care of yourself or the people that you love and you care about through cooking. That's a huge thing to be able to do.
Absolutely. I even think of like sewing also, like like doing, sewing your button back on. That would have been a great thing to learn in school. The other thing I wish that I would have learned when I was younger, like just don't care so much what other people think. So it's not really like a little more abstract, but something I feel like a lot of people
need that big pep talk for life.
Exactly.
About, like, don't worry about the haters, just do you.
Yes, and this is one of the reasons I love our series this week, How to Win at Life in 2019.
It's a very good one, yes.
Also manners, something that, some people maybe could use a little crash course into, and we're going to talk about manners when it comes to the gym. Coming up a little bit later.
This is such an important one.
It really is. We also want to hear your responses. So what do you wish you were taught at school as a kid? So tweet us at Your Morning.